Hey students, Armando here. And first of all, congratulations on reaching the final week of the course. And so I just want to give you some final value in showing you what a solid A paper looks like when it comes to combining part one and part two of your servant leadership model. So again, I'm going to walk you through the APA. We're going to see a sample paper. All I ask you to do is please do not copy the content of this paper. You can generate ideas. You can look at references. You can use the references, but you want to obviously make your paper your own. Okay, so obviously here would be your student name. I've removed this student's name. And of course, here would be the date that your assignment is due. As you can see, page number in the upper right hand corner. You don't need running head. And so this is what a title page should look like. And then as you can see, there will be a page number in the upper right hand corner. So you have the template, follow the template, but I wanted to kind of show you how important it is to embed the part one, which you already have, and then now you have new questions in part two. So all you're doing is kind of embedding the part two questions into your part one. And so you're kind of creating a brand new document. Even on this assignment that you're going to see is substantially long, a 0% on the Lopes Wright report because it's fresh content integrated into the existing content. So the biggest things I want you to see here is, again, you've got main title, you've got introduction. Look how well this student placed the in-text citations. Notice that the punctuation is after the in-text citation. That's the way it should be. Okay, then another main header going into the individual values. Again, every section you are going to see at least one in-text citation giving credit to the information. Now they used a subheader. They're still on personal values, but because they're going to talk about the leadership behaviors connected to the individual values, you can see that this is a subheader. So subheaders are off to the left, just like this. Again, another use of in-text citations. Again, more content. Again, leadership actions is a subheader to the main header in this section, which is individual values. And then the same thing happens for meaning and purpose. More importantly, look at the structure, look at the layout, look how you're never going to have any forms of plagiarism claims when you have so many in-text citations embedded throughout your assignment. Then we're going into another main topic. So you can see here that this becomes a main header centered, bold black in the center. Again, we notice the page numbers that are happening. And then the same thing here. You begin to see in-text citations along the way. We have another main header talking about the interpersonal values, and same thing. Now we're breaking the interpersonal values down into leadership behaviors. There's a section, another subheader of leadership actions. There's the content, there's the in-text citations, and another meaning and purpose, and there it is. Now we go to a main header of organizational values. Same thing, main content, then broken down into all the subheaders. But again, notice how clean the format is. Notice that in every content section, this student gave credit to the readings along the way. Okay, then we got into the influence and organizational society. Again, one of your sections that are in the template that I shared. Again, content, citation, boom, main header, social societal, value, content, in-text citations. And so this goes on over and over. Then again, that's broken into the three sections: behaviors, actions, and meaning and purpose of value. Again, the integration of servant leadership. There is a nice detailed section. Here is some in-text citation. Then you're going into follower and follower growth section. That's on the template. There's another use of in-text citation. So just very clean. And again, you should always end a paper with a conclusion, page number, and content. And then when we get to the bottom, you can see here a very clean reference page, centered, bold, and black in the middle. Everything is in alphabetical order, a line to the left, and then lines 2 and beyond are 6 spaces over and indented over to the right. And again, look at the number of references. This paper was over 2,400 words. Okay, so very, very detailed. And again, I would encourage you, if you have to pause this video or go back and rewatch it, look at the structure. Maybe it'll generate some ideas for you. But again, this is just for educational purposes, not for you to take any content from the student. But again, to be able to help you put your paper together. So now you have a template, now you have a sample paper, and this should help you put parts 1 and part 2 together and finish the course very strong. So again, congratulations on reaching the end. And if you have any questions, drop them below on the video comments and I will get back to you, or ask me the question in the chat. So thanks for watching.